You wake up, check your phone, go to work, get paid, and somehow your money disappears before the month ends. That's not bad luck. That's financial autopilot, your brain running old money habits you didn't even choose. Every day, you repeat small decisions that feel harmless, but together, they define your financial future. The same breakfast, the same scrolling routine, the same impulse to reward yourself after stress. It's not the spending that's dangerous, it's the unconsciousness behind it. Most people don't spend money, their habits do. And those habits come from three hidden causes: emotion, environment, and exhaustion. Emotion makes you buy to feel better. Environment tempts you with what's easy and visible. And exhaustion makes you choose comfort over control. You buy the same coffee, scroll the same ads, and repeat the same loop because it feels safe. Your brain loves predictability. It mistakes repetition for security. Step 1 to breaking financial autopilot is awareness. For the next 7 days, track everything, every cent, every click, every moment you feel the urge to spend. Not to judge yourself, but to finally see the invisible. You can't fix what you refuse to measure. Awareness rewires the circuit. It brings your money back into consciousness. Step 2, reset your triggers. Every time you feel the urge to buy, stop for 24 hours. Ask yourself one question: would I still want this tomorrow? You'll be surprised how often the answer is no. The urge fades, the emotion cools, and suddenly you see what was driving it. That's clarity, and clarity is control. Now, replace one trigger at a time. Instead of opening shopping apps at night, open your bank app. Instead of chasing discounts, chase discipline. Instead of buying for emotion, buy for intention. The brain doesn't delete habits, it replaces them. Step 3, go manual for 30 days. Turn off every automatic payment, subscription, and renewal. Yes, it's annoying at first. But awareness always feels inconvenient in the beginning. When you manually pay your bills, your brain reconnects the value behind each number. You start to feel the weight and the power of your money again. Most people think wealth is about more income, but that's an illusion. Wealth begins the moment you give your attention to what you already have. Attention creates intention, and intention creates direction. So take back control, reclaim your awareness. You don't need more income, you need more consciousness. Because once you control your attention, your money follows. Always. This is how financial freedom really starts. Not with luck, not with a raise, but with attention, and it starts today.